Good morning, students. In the last class, we have done with reading comprehension. So, before reading comprehension, we have done with revision for periodic test 2. And now, we are going to do with the grammar part, which is there in your unit number 4, the half-built house. So, here you can see in the page number 37. Read this sentence. The police burst into the room and got hold of the 3 crooks. The police burst into the room and got hold of the 3 crooks. So here you can see the highlighted word. So that is got hold of. Yes. So got hold of. So in the above sentence, got hold of means to grab someone physically. So the highlighted word for the meaning. So the meaning for highlighted word is to grab someone physically. Got hold of meaning is to grab someone physically. Now let us look the aiming. Look at these phrases with get and match them to their meanings. So by seeing in the A column you have phrases, you have to match with their meanings. So look at these phrases with get and match them to their meanings. Here you have first word get away, get going, get. Third word is get the better of, get nowhere, get wind of. So here you have 5 phrases. You have to match with their meanings. According to their meanings, you have to match with the phrases. Okay. So first, I'll be telling for the meanings for all 5 words. Then we'll come back to the match the following. Okay. So the meaning of get away. So what is the meaning of get away? So the meaning of get away, at a distance from a particular place, person or thing. So away, getting escaped. So distance from place, particular place, person or thing. Next is get going. Leave a place in order to go somewhere else. So the meaning of get going is leave a place in order to go somewhere. So going somewhere, leave a place in order to go somewhere. So third one, get the better of. Gain an advantage over or defeat by superior strength or ability. So gain an advantage, to win. Okay. Next, fourth one, get nowhere. Having no prospect of progress or success. Having no prospect of progress or success. So last word is get wind of. To hear a piece of information that someone else was trying to keep it secret. So to hear a piece of information. So finding out about something or an information. Okay. So the first word get away, get going, get the better of, get nowhere, get wind of. The first one I'll be doing get away. So what is the meaning of get away? So I have told you the meaning. At a distance from a particular place or a person or thing. So getting escaped. So C option. Okay. Next, second one, get going. So get going is, meaning of get going is leave a place, leaving a place, to go somewhere. So to leave a place, it's a second one. Okay. Next, get the better half. So gain an advantage. So to win an victory. So it's an E. Get the better half. Next is get nowhere. Having no prospect of progress of success. So to make no progress. It's fourth one. Next, last, fifth one, get wind of. So get wind of is finding out about something. So find out about something. So we have matched with their meanings. So 5 phrases were given. We have matched with their meanings. So get away is to escape. Get going, to leave a place. Get the better of, to win a victory over someone. Get now here, to make no progress. Get wind of, find out about something. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next page. So beaming, complete these sentences with phrases from exercise A. Make changes where needed. So from exercise A, so we have 5 phrases there, and also we have meanings in the B column. So you need to complete these sentences by exercise what you have the phrases. You have the phrases there, right? So from the phrases you have to complete the sentences. Okay. So first one that I'll be doing, rest you need to do in your course book itself. So first sentence, you must dash now if you want to reach the school on time. So you must dash if you want to reach the school on time. So you want to choose the phrases in exercise A. So here you have get away, get going, get the better of, get now here, get wind of. So what is the sentence? You must dash now if you want to reach the school on time. What you want to do? You must, what you want to do? You must leave a place. So you must leave now if you want to reach the school on time. So if you want to reach the school, you have to leave your home right now. Right? So the phrases to leave a place. What is the phrases you have for this one? So it's a get going. So in the dash, what will you write the phrase? It's a get going. So first one understood. You must get going now if you want to reach the school on time. So if you want to reach the school on time, you have to leave the place. Leave the place. Only you can reach the school on time, right? So second, third, fourth and fifth, you have to do it by yourself in the course book itself. So I'll read the question once. The police dash where the criminals were hiding. A criminal dashed from the police station last night. He was disappointed as he was dashed in his work. The Indian team dashed their opponents in yesterday's match. So these are the 5 questions which is left for you to do by yourself. And also students will be getting the worksheet, that is match the following with their meanings. The phrases will be given, you have to match with the meanings. So thank you students.